This 2025 comparison will find out which AI coding assistant is better for developers. Make sure to like and subscribe. Let's start with Blackbox AI. Blackbox is known for tuning natural language into usable code across multiple languages. It works as a browser extension and integrates into IDEs like VS Code. Its strength is fast code generation and finding snippets instantly. Now, Cursor. Cursor is a full AI-powered IDE built on top of VS Code. It doesn't just generate snippets, it can refactor code, explain errors, and maintain context across files. Many developers see it as more interactive coding partner. Let's hop on to features. Blockbox focuses on quick code search and generation. Cursor provides a full AI IDE with debugging, autocomplete, and project-wide context. Second is learning curve. Blockbox is plug and play, minimal setup, while Cursor feels familiar if you use VS Code but requires adjusting to its AI workflow. Third is customization. Blockbox offers flexibility with context windows and project integration, while Cursor is straightforward but less deep. Fourth is ideal audience. Blockbox suits beginners or devs who want quick snippets, while Cursor is great for professionals managing large projects. Lastly is the value. Blockbox is lightweight and cheaper, while Cursor is pricier but gives more advanced assistance. The verdict is, if you want a quick and affordable coding helper, choose Blockbox. If you need a full AI coding environment, Cursor is the better investment. Now, you can decide which AI code assistant fits your workflow in 2025. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.